What's up, YouTube? So I'm at the car wash. Gotta wash the car for the car show today, which is stuntfest. So I'm finna let y'all see the car, see how dirty the car is, and then might show y'all a little clip of me washing the car, and then video just gonna go about how the days go. So let's get into it. So as y'all can see, I have bird doodle all over the car. It's been on the car all week. Disgusting. Rims, nasty. This, nasty. All back there. Just nasty. I think it got something weird on it. I think it's dirt. Alright. This car been past overdue for a while. But let's get into it now. I don't put this stuff on my rounds because I got some spray stuff to put on. As y'all can see, I finished washing the car. But I've been done like hours ago. But we're on the way to the car show, Stuntfest and Reynolds at Silver Dollar. Malibu. And the knowledge behind us. But had to put some tire shine on there. Everybody head to the car show. So let's go. I swear I've been sitting in the line for like 40 minutes just to get in here. Like, look how crazy this line is. It's 8 lines and it's only 2 entries. 8 lines, 2 entries. It's crazy. We made it out to the car show, but guess what? We can't get into the car show because I guess they too packed. So we way out here in the back. And check the line out. Still people coming in. It's crazy. Maybe next time.